Let's have something different today. Sizzling Sea Bass Pot. And the star of the show is, of course, the sea bass. Let's handle it first. This sea bass has been prepped at the market. After cleaning, cut it into small pieces with scissors. It's convenient for cooking and flavoring. Season it. Table salt. White pepper. Shaoxing wine. Mix well in one direction. Add starch after fully marinating. And continue to mix to form a protective layer on the surface of each fish. Lock in moisture. The texture will be more tender after cooking. Marinate for 10 minutes. Bittern-set tofu. The tofu I bought this time is quite expensive. It's said to be handmade by farmers. It cost me 5 yuan for such a little. Cut them into 1 centimeter thick slices, which is easy to taste, but also maintain a tender texture. Arrange them on a plate for later use. And purple onion. Remove the head and tail. And shred for later use. Slice ginger and set aside. Knock garlic like this, and it's easy to peel. And cut into large pieces. And set aside with ginger. Cut the bird's eye chilies into sections. Cut the scallions into batons and set aside. Mix up a sauce for the sizzling pot. A spoonful of light soy sauce. A spoonful of dark soy sauce. A spoonful oyster sauce. A little salt. Two spoons sesame oil. Add some water. Stir well. Today's ingredients: bittern-set tofu, sea bass, purple onion, ginger, garlic, the prepared sauce, bird's eye chilies and scallion batons. Turn on the stove. Heat the pan and add cooking oil. Let's pan fry the tofu. Flip it over. Fry until both sides are golden brown. Take out and set aside. Heat the pan again. There's not much oil left. Add a little more cooking oil. Let's pan fry the sea bass. Place the skin side down. And arrange them evenly. Drizzle some cooking oil around the pan to ensure every fish piece can touch the oil. Press the raised fish pieces with chopsticks to ensure even heating. Flip it over when it's golden brown. Until all sides are golden brown. Take out and set aside. Use a lacquer cut for this step. Turn on the stove again. Add cooking oil when the pot is hot. Stir-fry ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add onions. Add aromatic crispy fried tofu. Spread evenly. Add the pan-fried sea bass. Pour the sizzling pot sauce over the fish, ensuring every piece is fully coated. Bring to a boil over high heat. Cover and simmer over low heat for 7 minutes. Time's up. Open the lid. The aroma is so inviting. Sprinkle with scallion batons and bird's eye chilies. Turn off the heat and serve. If you're tired of steamed sea bass, you've got to try this recipe. The sea bass is fresh, fragrant, and meltingly tender. The tofu is saturated with the savory broth, giving it a delightfully springy and flavorful bite. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. This bite is so satisfying. A good life starts with eating well. Remember to check in the comments section. See you next time.